Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar inaugurated the first annual academic conference on Indian knowledge systems at Jawaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi on 10 July. Speaking on the occasion, the Vice President said that India's rise as a global power must be accompanied by the rise of its intellectual and cultural gravitas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was on a five-nation visit to Ghana, Trinidad and Tobago, Argentina, Brazil and Namibia from 2 to 9 July 2025. On 7 July, Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the 17th BRICS Summit held in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. He also met world leaders including President of Cuba, Prime Minister of Malaysia, Prime Minister of Vietnam, President of the Plurinational State of Bolivia and the President of the Oriental Republic of Uruguay on the sidelines of the 17th BRICS Summit in Brazil. On 8 July, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred with Brazil's highest national honor, the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross. On 9 July, he arrived in Namibia where he addressed the parliament. The Prime Minister underlined that India will always work for the progress of Africa, as it had done during its presidency of the G20 when the African Union was made a permanent member of the group. Prime Minister Narendra Modi distributed more than 51,000 appointment letters to newly appointed youth in various government departments and organizations under Rozgar Mela on 12 July through video conferencing. Addressing the newly appointed youth, the Prime Minister said that the Rozgar Mela reflects our government's commitment to empowering the Yuva Shakti and making them catalysts in building a Viksit Bharat. On 11 July, Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman addressed the inaugural session of the Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs Northeast Conclave 2025 at Indian Institute of Management Shillong in Meghalaya. Addressing the event, the minister said that 91 projects worth 1,239 crore rupees have been completed and 35 projects worth over 1,000 crore rupees are ongoing in Meghalaya under the Northeast Special Infrastructure Development Scheme. Union Minister for Railways Ashwini Vaishnav inaugurated several passenger-related amenities at Karpuri Gram Railway Station in Samastipur, Bihar on 7 July. Speaking on the occasion, the minister reiterated the central government's commitment to making states like Bihar equal partners in the vision of a developed India. Chief of the Naval Staff Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, Chief of the Air Staff Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh, and Chief of the Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi addressed senior military officers in New Delhi on 8 July. During the event, all three chiefs of defense forces reaffirmed their commitment to tri-service synergy.